Our bare minimum is reinstatement of our medical cover. The bare minimum, our reinstatement of our medical cover within 24 hours. Secondly, disbandment of the board within 24 hours. Thirdly, reinstatement of our CEO, Abdi Dagane. Those are the bare minimum, first of all. We demand, we don't request, we demand the immediate reinstatement of our medical cover. Further to do so, will result in the withdrawal of our services. We further demand reimbursement for those who have incurred medical expenses during the period the cover was suspended. 2, persistent interference by the hospital board into day-to-day operation, namely Professor Oliver Mugenda. We have recently learned from the media that the board chair ordered the CEO to take forced annual leave and appointed Isaac Kamau as the acting CEO. A decision made in violation of established procedures. Shame! Shame! As employees, we are puzzled by the timing, knowing that the current board term expires in March 2025. As Kutrrh employees, we demand, say we demand, the immediate disbandment of the current board with immediate effect. We demand the immediate disbandment of the current board with immediate effect. It has outlived its usefulness.
Kwa hivyo shida ya hapa KU ama hospitali ya KU inaongozwa na lile baraza ambalo linaamua maamuzi ya vile hospitali itakavyoendezwa ama endeleshwa. Na hiyo ndio shida kubwa mahala hapa. Kama sio hiyo, wafanyikazi wangekuwa wanalipa marupurupu yao wakati inafaa. Kama sio hivyo, wafanyikazi wangekuwa wanapata kupanda grade nyingine wakati inafaa. Kama sio hivyo, hata CEO ama mtendakazi mkuu hapa angekuwa bado katika ofisi yake. Lakini sababu kuna watu ambao wako na tamaa ndani yao, kila kitu lazima waamue. Yeye ndiye anaajili, yeye ndiye atafuta, yeye ndiye atapeana kandarasi. Hiyo ndio imeharibu mahala hapa. Na sisi kauli yetu ni moja. Masaa ni 24.
If the 3 demands are not met within 24 hours, it will be a total paralysis of the hospital services. Solidarity.